And Tego, this is the third session. So Tego, again, I was explaining to you this algorithm. Actually, it is in pseudocode, and it works exactly the same. Tego, this portion, like I told you, he's saying until not swap, because he's not using a while loop here. He will go through this code at least once, repeat until if the swap never become true, or if it become false, then it will exit. And so every time he goes through it and he managed to get the swap equal true, then it will keep running until we run one full-time for loop without even swapping once. It means that it's already sorted. And remember, he used here in the pseudocode last. He doesn't use top. It is the same. So again, I can name this variable anything. It can be last, it can be top, but it's always pointing to the end. Does this make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Then okay. The question is actually making a slight let me see, a slight trick here. So okay, I see the trick in the question is only on the sorting part. So luckily never mind. So the question is telling me here that we have a one-dimensional array. Baby name contains the names of the babies in a nursery. Another one-dimensional array is a parent phone that contains the phone numbers for the parents of the baby. So we have now two arrays, 1 and 2. And please do some marking to mark for yourself. A final one-dimensional array is baby age that contains the baby's age in months. Okay, so now we have three arrays. Okay, the position of each baby data in the three arrays is the same. So we already know that from all the scenarios that we passed before. For example, the baby in position 3, in baby baby name is 0, phone parent name, and baby, what is that? And baby age, baby in position 3 in baby name 0. What is that? I'm not sure what is he pointing to us here, but the position. So I assume that he's having 3 arrays here, and so the baby details in the first array, which is a baby name, the name, and the phone, and then the age. So you already know that it will be all pointing into the same index. I'm not very sure why he put 0 with 3. So again, let us Tiago, so far you understand what is?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So Tiago, I don't want to read the requirements. I want you to read it because you are going to write it. I want you to write it in front of my eyes. So please read the requirements. It's simple. Can you read it loud?
Oh, okay. So uses procedures to display these lists, parent phone numbers, and baby names in alphabetical order with baby name. Baby names for babies aged under 3 months. Uses a procedure to display all the details for a baby with the name used as a parameter. Uses a procedure to update the details for a baby with the name used as a parameter. So
now, Tiago, we have 3 requirements, and please just see here. He asked you to create a procedure, Tiago. So it means that okay, use a procedure to display. So you have to create how many procedures so far?
3.
3. Okay, yeah. And yeah, but wait a moment. So he okay. Can you read that again, please? Here, especially this.
Phone numbers and baby names in alphabetical order of baby name.
So he asks you to use a procedure to display this list. Okay. So a procedure to display parent phone numbers and baby names in alphabetic order of baby name, and then baby names for babies aged under 3. So actually this is A and B. So A and B, actually this is two procedures. So when he tell you he wants the names sorted, he didn't say sorted, in alphabetic order of baby name. This is sorting. So that is the bubble sort that, and I mean, you didn't take any other sorting algorithm. You only take bubble sort. So that is what he meant here. He didn't tell you, but alphabetic, okay. So it means that you start from A until Z. So can you see the trick here? So this is the only trick. I mean, the trick is that you just need to know the requirements so that you don't miss anything. So he's asking you to create two procedures, one for sorting. Sorting is typically just its own procedure. Okay, so Tego in even software engineering, but we maybe not the time now to talk about it. In software engineering, talk about reducing the amount of work that you do in every procedure. Let us put that aside now. After your exam, we talk more about it. But now he asking you to create two procedures. One for getting the names of the babies aged under 3. These have no relation to sorting, and he needs you to get display things in alphabetic order. To do that, you have to sort first the content, because maybe the people enter the data inside the array is not sorted. It's different names in different position, and it's not sorted at all. So he need to sort it out. Does this make sense? Okay, so Tego, you have access to the Rebellet, and are you able to open it and share it from your side? I can pass you the requirement here as a slide as an image. I can share that with you, this specific page, and then you can start to write. I would say start with writing the whole structure first. How many procedures that you want to write, and then start filling in the middle. Okay? Can we say like that? And I will try to share that with you. Okay. Let me share that with you. Okay. Oops, I need to enable the. Okay. Yeah, now you can. Jigu, can you open your site, or you're not able to?
I can. Yes, I'm doing it now.
Okay.
I don't have the instructions.
Yeah, I am finding a way to share it with you. Give me a second,
Okay.
please. Drive. Class. Okay. Okay. Let me see here. Downloads. Okay. So Tego, the first requirement here is in the chat. Okay, and that's a folder, and then I'm also getting you the first slide. Did you find it in the?
Yeah, so I did.
Okay, now the second one is uploading. So um, okay, Tego. Yeah, I can still cannot see your screen, Tego.
Oh, okay.
Or do you need to? Uh, okay. So it doesn't matter, Tego. Whatever compiler that you want to use, it doesn't matter. Just the fastest thing that you always used to, then just do it. Use a Visual Studio. Also, you can do it. It's up to you.
Okay.
It's your choice. I'm not forcing you.
Okay. But this works fine.
Okay, good. Um, wait. So can you refresh back, please? Because I already uploaded 2 files, and yes. So yeah. So this is the description of the whole thing with the arrays and what you need to create.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now what is the inputs? Talk to me. I mean, yeah. I just want to put my hand on how you're thinking. So we have 3 arrays, and we have almost like 4 procedures that we need to create.
So I can start with the first procedure maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. Just so Tego, I already tell you before. Go with the easiest requirement that you can do. Okay, check all
Okay.
of those. Which one is the easiest, and you start with it.
Maybe the second one, display all the
Okay,
details for
perfect,
baby.
perfect. Go. We write Python.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So he's taking a barometer, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay.
Baby name.
Yes.
Okay. Do you notice do you notice okay, yeah. Do you
Pardon?
notice that they use AI? This is a new feature that it's very nice here. He's trying to recommend auto completing for you.
Okay.
Yeah, but never mind. Just don't follow them because they are just trying to guess based on the experience with other students. But never mind. Just do.
Okay.
Yeah, on the paper you will not have this assistance. So baby age, and we have baby what? Hmm. Parent phone.
Okay.
So yeah. So I would recommend just a little when you write details, I would say display baby details. But writing details is okay. Display baby details, okay, fine. Display details also fine. Yes, okay, that's great. Okay. And so we printed what is required. Yes, yes, yes. And the only thing here, please, lens -1. Am I right? No, no need -1. No, it's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So we go to the second. Yes. Okay. So this is done. So I would say, okay, so you find the name. I guess what you want to change is the phone number and the baby age. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to just take an input to. Am I right?
Yes.
So I think yes, you can print. There is no harm from that, but
Does this work?
um, yes, yes, you perfect job. Just a little thing, because when you are writing on a paper, then you really need to avoid any additions that is not needed. This is not needed. Okay, so you can just use these two lines, and what you've done is it's not wrong. Yeah, but again, when you do it this way, you have to put this in an else if choice equal,
Yeah.
or even else. Okay, um, so you can use else if choice equal to, or else. So you have to do that part, but again, if you just put these two lines instead of, and cancel this also, okay. Okay,
Okay.
but if it is logically in your mind working like that, and you are confident making like that, totally fine. Just it will not harm you at all. That's correct. What you've done is correct, totally correct. Okay. So what are you doing now?
The first one here, since I've done these two.
Okay. So I would say, never mind. Yes. So this is sorting. So
Yeah.
you are displaying parent phone numbers and baby names in alphabetic order of baby name. So yeah, okay, never mind. Continue. You are correct. Continue.
Okay.
This display names maybe, okay, alphabetically. Oh yeah, okay. Display alphabetical. Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
So you have to here, again, as we said, the trick here is that you need to put the code for the bubble sort. Bubble sort together is a while loop and for loop inside it, and an if statement to do the swap. So
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
okay, I say again, a bubble loop actually consists of while loop at the start, And after the while loop, we talk about putting an inside for loop that will not run a number of times. Inside the for loop, we will do the swapping. Swapping of, if we find two consecutive numbers that need to be swapped, we will swap it. So, okay, fine, just put a while loop and go inside the for loop first. And then we modify and improve. This is the first time for you to write it, so it's great like that. Yeah. Range. So we need to put an if statement. So we will go through the for loop. An if statement will compare two consecutive. So you check x and x plus one. You know, it's not mentioned here, but you want me to share the code in Python with you, or even the pseudocode? How this bubble sort works?
Yes, yes.
Okay, give me a second. I'll say past. Let's download image, and then so I think you can refresh. I already uploaded it, and sorry, I'm uploading everything that you need here. So so I didn't follow up with you. Okay, now okay, Tigo, we have. I will close and then we join again. Oh, or Tigo, are you still able to continue, or we have stop here?
I have something after this. That's stopping.
You have to. We have to stop here. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, okay. So we have. What about having another 8 minutes? Are you still
Yes.
able to? Okay. Good. Okay. Then let's continue then.
Okay.
Top -1. Yes. Yes. X plus 1. Yes, yes, he recommended it, yeah. So swapping will always include a temporary variable.
Okay.
X plus 1. And then x plus 1 will equal temp.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
No, so yeah, okay. This yeah, this need to be reversed because you're not putting um, this is reversed. So
Okay.
yeah, yes, perfect. Okay, yes. So what the code that you have done here is actually a perfect code, except that can you go back again in the requirement? No, dear. So no. Let me just correct this, please. Again, you look at the code, please, for the Python code for the for the swapping and the for loop of the bubble sort. Yes, exactly. Yes, yes, top minus one should be under
Yeah.
inside the while loop. Yes. Okay. So now I would, if you go back to the requirement and see what he want to sort, he want to display what parent phone numbers and baby names, and the baby names is in alphabetic orders, right? So we already sorted the
Yes.
bubble baby names, but just be aware that when you have three arrays and these three arrays are having the same index, the data is stored in the three arrays in the same index. It means when you swap an information, a name from one position to another, you are disturbing the arrangement in the other two arrays. Now you change the arrangement, the index in baby names. You swapped two positions. Okay, so do you need to do the same for baby age array, the age array? Okay, I just let me. Is that clear to you, Tigo?
Yes.
Now, so this is age, and this is, I think, parent numbers. So you need to swap. Okay, so you have to do exactly the same. I don't know how many minutes we have, but can you see how many minutes we have?
Yeah. 5.
5 minutes. Okay. So if you are able to show, if you have the time for these 5 minutes, let me just show you. You have to repeat what you have done, the swapping part that you have done with the baby name. You have to do it with the baby age and parent numbers. If you don't do that, the information is confused. You will find the baby number one are having number of baby 10 or baby 9. You see, because you already rearranged baby names array. So you have to rearrange the phone numbers array and the baby age array according to the new arrangement that you have done to the baby names. Do that make sense?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so this is the only trick here. Yeah, try if you do just one of them, then I think we are done. So you just have to copy that part and modify it so that it work with the PPH, for example. No, 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 not here, not here. You go totally down.
Okay.
Before the swap, before the swap. Yes, yes, here. Okay. And please remember to put comments.
Okay.
Okay, it's done, Tigo. So you just need to do the same with the age. Yep. So, but let me talk to you this last 3 minutes that's remaining. So you have, when do you have your exam? On 20, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you need any more help from me, Tigo? Do you? Yeah. Tell me. I want to listen to you.
I think another class would be useful just to practice.
Okay. So give me 24 hours before the class and let me know. Let me know the day. I mean, give me 24 hours before you book the class and let me know what is exactly you want to practice. Pseudocode more or or Python more or both.
Okay.
So I have to give you exercises, Tigo. I need to I need to know, I need to assess your level after every class we do. um, it really double what we are doing in the class if you do exercises. So I have to pass you some exercises, exam questions, and then you try your best to answer it. It helps you, it helps you your skills actually. Okay, do we
Yes.
agree now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So I think to me you can continue the remaining and just maybe send it to me. You still have one more procedure to do,
Okay.
and um, um, do it in the exercise. And yeah, then see you later. Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Take care. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye bye.